What are we gonna do? Uh-oh. We're gonna take it off. It's tight. It doesn't fit you anymore. Yeah. Can we take it off? Yes. Oh no. Nagbibihis kami guys. Happy Sunday. Hindi na kasya sa kanya. Goy baby. Hindi mo pa ito nasuot. Hindi na kasya. 3 to 6 months yung size. Pero hindi na kasya. Hindi ko mabuton sa likod. Bigay ito ni Nana. Nung nag-Europe si Nana at saka si Papi, ito yung dala-dala niya. Para kay Indy. Sus ka. Machi-machi, sana tayo ng kakulayan. So, yan talaga yung inner niya. Tapos ito. Hindi ko masira kasi nga aking baby. Purya-buyag man. Purya-buyag man na akong baby. Antok na to guys. Kaya lang diretso ka na sa car seat. Doon ka na matulog. Oh, tingnan nyo. Grabe na gumulong yung bibi lang. Where are you going? Go chase the guys. Go to the guys. Go to the guys. Go. Oh no. Antok na to. Oh no! Where did you go, beautiful? Come back here. Come back here, oi. Come back here.
No, I better one.
Come back here, Indy. Come back.
Why is it around there?
She just rolls everywhere.
This
Hi,
one,
Brett.
Indy can roll anywhere.
I know, you look pretty. Come here, India. Come here.
Indy roll way far.
I know. She rolls very far. My gosh. Gwapo naman ang dudong
He
natin.
way like this.
Like that?
Like that.
Oh my gosh. Did you teach her to do that?
Yeah. He's a teacher.
Oh, does she listen all the time?
You help her.
Alright, come here, Indy. I've got a new one for you, baby. This one from Tita Rich. Is this a nice one? Sus, ang ganda naman yung patap mo, baby. Alright, come here.
Come to mama. Mommy.
Happy birthday, Arlo.
Mommy.
Mag-leggings ka para hindi bumaba yun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. Oh, so pretty, mama. Oh my gosh, itong dress na to 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months, kasyang-kasya. B, wala ka pang 6 months. Wala ka pang 6 months. Bakit naman ganito? Bakit naman ganito? Okay, baby, growing so fast naman yan, baby. Lang ko. Hoy. Hoy, pansinin mo ako. Kinakausap kita. Hala ka, buyag. May gara sa kabida. Look. Hala ka, purya-buyag. Hoy. Hala, lang. Beautiful. Is that the guys? Do you wanna look at the guys? Go. Buti pa silang lahat. Ready na sila. Ako, ready na ba ako? Kayo muna bahala guys ha. Kasi ayusin ko lang ang aking, i-finalize ko lang ang aking sarili. Go, India!
You want spicy burger? You kind of
Good job, ate.
You want to do it again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, down. No! Ew.
'Oh my gosh, you're very strong. Oh, look at you, Isla. Alright, we'll put Indy in. And then who's gonna rock Indy? Who's gonna rock Indy?
Me.
Both of you?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a bit.
You're gonna rock Indy because she's gonna sleep. She's
I
very,
don't know
very
this.
tired.
Not like this.
Yeah, you gotta be gentle rocking. Can you get that?
I can put this seatbelt on. I am the dummy.
Oh, thank you,
I will
Olo.
put this seatbelt on. I can.
Yeah, just wait. Can I fix the head? Thank you. Can you this one?
I don't like pushing.
Do you have the dirt cloth, Christian? The white cloth?
Yeah, bring
Just
that.
put it on the side of the thing, Arlie.
This happy.
I know, she's happy.
Why does
Hey, you go to the toilet. Anna, you alright?
Go to the toilet, ate.
I'll bring it to the spot.
You wearing Crocs, Olo?
Yeah, they
Anna, go to the toilet.
Alright guys, we are off. Kanina pa kami actually dito sa car. Nakapag-drive na kami ng mga more than 30 minutes. Chika-chika lang kami nitong aking asawa. Tulog ang kids. Very good. Silang tatlo talaga tulog. Si Indy pagkasakay tulog agad. Sobrang pagod na siya kanina. So we will get there at 12:30. Punta pala kaming winery. Nag-invite si Inday. Kathy, mag-winery kami guys. Punta tayong Down the Rabbit Hole. Is it called? Down the Rabbit Hole. I remember the last time we were there, we had Ayla and Arlo only. Now we have Indy. Tapos nakalimutan namin ang bouncer. Sabi namin kagabi dalhin namin yung bouncer ngayon. Pero kanina sobrang hectic ng umaga kasi nga may bata kaming gusto nang umalis. Si Indy gusto na niyang di naman sa gusto niyang umalis, but antok na nga kasi siya. Nagmamadalig kami mag-ready lahat para diretso na siya sa car. So nakalimutan namin yung bouncer, but that's okay. Kung na alam ko na itsura ko, as in nag-ready siguro ako less than 5 minutes sa sarili ko. Ang daming winery guys dito sa South Australia. Ang dami. Mga magaganda pa sila. Yung pinupuntahan namin mostly ngayon is mga kid-friendly kasi syempre may mga bata tayo. So yung Down the Rabbit Hole, napuntahan na namin yun. Pero yung nag-decide today is si Kat kasi nga siya naman yung nag-invite. So nagtanong lang siya kung maganda ba doon. Maganda naman doon. Nagpunta tayo doon last time. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung may playground talaga. Tapos may bus. This is the one with the bus. Yeah. Yeah, nalala ko. Tapos I remember, okay naman yung platter nila doon. Doon lang tayo sa labas para makapaglaro ng mga bata. Gusto ko nagwa-winery kami kasi ako nakakabili ng mga damitan ng taong to. Sabi pa kanya kanina, ayoko yung suotin. Bahala ka. Pero nandyan lang yan. Kung gusto mo. Yan naman yung sinuot. Very good. You look good, my love.
Thank you.
I like your clothes. Very comfy.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die if I roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not scared of your goodbye, but I roll that dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see who you are. I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can remember me.
baby, but we were here before.
It was free.
Yeah.
Park size.
Were you 3? Was she 3, Mama? Maybe.
Yeah, could be.
Yeah.
I was.
I believe you, princess. Give some shape.
Hey.
Daddy. Is Daddy not driving properly, Ayla?
I don't want mommy to get
Stuck her lip?
another scratch in her
Yeah,
car.
Okay.
I don't want me to get another scratch in her car.
Yeah. Another
I might just
scratch.
go.
Here, this one. Next to this car.
There you go there.
Well, you can. If you reverse, you've got a lot of space.
What is Daddy talking about? What is Daddy talking about?
Daddy's parking. Yeah. It's nice. It's alright, right?
Yeah, I might just go for what's slightly.
Yeah. Slightly. Can you open the door still?
Yeah.
We're here, guys.
Let's see.
I know.
Yeah. Is it Elijah's He's so cute. Oh my gosh, you look like a comedy boy. He goes, huh? Huh?
Elijah?
Elijah?
Where is Elijah?
They're on their way.
If anyone here for Indy, we'll take kids for a walk.
Okay. Who's excited to see Elijah?
Me.
Who's excited to see Ate Veronica?
Me.
Who's excited to see
Do you have
Mommy?
the kiss?
Me.
Yep.
Where's my hair?
Help Arlo, please. Help Arlo. Help Arlo.
Okay.
What do you say to Ate? Why are you doing a funny face? Oh, sorry.
So funny.
Why are you doing a funny face, girl? Do you want me to do your hair?
Oh, dude.
Gusto niya talagang ipa.
This is my green hair.
Lagay itong hair.
It's my real gray
That's right,
hair.
Daddy. She's still sleeping.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
I like my gray hair. My gray hair looks so beautiful.
There you go.
This is my
Are you
gray.
coming? Oh, he's saying.
Are you coming, Ayla? Or
Yeah.
staying? Are you asking Ayla or me?
Yeah, Anna.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm
I'm just
coming.
fixing it. Yeah, go for a walk with Dada.
Alright.
So how long am I waiting here? Until she wakes up?
Until they come.
Ah, okay. Tulog kasi si Indy. Ayaw na mag-disturbohin ng kanya masarap na tulog kasi she deserves that. Or Indy deserves that. Ay, grabe kami ni Indy. Ilang buwan na akong lutang, kaya ako pa pa, guys. Tapos may tupiin na naman tayo pagdating natin sa bahay. Enjoy lang natin itong moment na to kasi pag uwi natin, ang dami na naman natin gawain. Hindi na talaga natapos-tapos ang mga gawain. Mas-stress na talaga ako. Kung siseryosoin ko talaga ang mga bagay-bagay, siguro nabuang na ako ngayon. My gosh. Walang tigil talaga. Oh, by the way, Sisi guys is in the Philippines. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, I'm pretty sure most of you know already. Pero, my sister vlogs as well and umuwi sila ng Pilipinas. Bigla ang uwi nila ng Pilipinas. Her vlogs are up and sobrang nakakainggit ang utan, guys. Nakakaloka naman yung utan. Utan is laswa or basta yung sinabawang gulay nga, sabi nga ni Mama. Naglalaway ako. Napanood ko siya kaninang umaga when I was feeding Indy kasi hindi siya natulog agad. So karga-karga ko lang siya, pinapatulog ko siya. So sabi ko, manood na lang ako ng vlog. Pinanood ko yung vlog, yung mukha ko, nakatawa lang ako the whole time. Yung reaction ko lang talaga, nakatawa lang talaga ako. Tapos nung napakita na yung utan, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Gusto ko mag-utan. Sarap siguro nun. Tapos mais na rice. Yung ano, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niyan sa ibang lugar, pero sa Cebu kasi mais. Yung pino na rice. My gosh, ang sarap nun. Mais at saka ano, utan. Anyway, nandun siya sa Pilipinas, guys. So, kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe, Rich Zigs. Tapos yung masaya pa, hindi alam ng fambam na uuwi siya. So, surprise yung kanyang pag-uwi ng Pinas. Ang saya. Dito na kami. You want sunscreen? We didn't bring sunscreen. Just borrow from Tita Kat. Oh, you do? Yan na lang. Just use that.
I don't want sunscreen.
You don't want sunscreen? Okay, that's alright. Dito na sila. Oh, diba ang sexy ni Ate Veronica? Siya na talaga ang naka... You don't want sunscreen, Ala?
I want sunscreen.
You want sunscreen? Okay. What do you say to Tita Kat?
You don't want to be sitting out in the sun there for us. It's hot. That's
Thank
actually-
you.
That rug's for us as well, by the way, but
Oh yeah, we can sit there as well, Inday. Yeah. You want some sunscreen, Baba? Dito na si Inday, oh.
Oh, ang init.
Ganda ng kulay ng ano mo, hat mo. Saan mo? Ito,
Nick, Baba, Nick. Look.
Yes. Next. So, not on the eyes, Tita.
Not on the eyes.
Not on the eyes.
Yeah, didn't put on your eyes. Yeah.
Yun on your arms. Gusto ni Ayla mag-swing dyan, kaya lang laging occupied. Pag may umaalis, ang bilis mapalitan. Hello! Hello, India! What are you gonna eat? Have you looked at the menu, Mama?
briefly.
Briefly?
Yeah, we'll get a pizza.
Yeah.
You get like a cheese board if you want.
Yeah.
I'm hungry, so I'll eat a bit.
Oh, good. Yay. You can.
Could you eat chips?
That's it really, cheese board and pizza. They have potatoes, arancini.
Hello. Hello.
Lala, your legs. May cocktails sila Inday. Oh, wow. Sige, sige sis. Sige, mag-wine tayo sis. Para namang marunong. Sige nga, anong wine gusto mo?
Couple of breads?
Tapos wala mang muscato. Magtanong tayo kung ano yung pinaka-ano nila. Sweet na wine. I know, sa sandal yun tayo. Ay, uy, ano ka? Ayla, can you get that bag? Give it to Tita Kating. You need to return the dress. Oh, it's Tita Kati's birthday as well. What do you say to her? Oh, thank you, Pop. You gonna give that to her?
Alex, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Ayla. Nandiyan na din yung dress.
Anna, what did you get?
Ni ano,
What's the
Veronica.
present? What is
What's
it?
the present? What did you get her? Surprise? She doesn't know.
I like your outfit on Friday.
I know, the dress is from Ate Veronica. What do you say to Ate? The dress that you wore na, siya lang mag-isa nag-dress.
Bakit yung iba?
Yung iba hindi. Naka-uniform lang. Sabi niya, yeah, my classmates just wore normal clothes, uniform. It was only her. Order na kami ng drink. We ordered rosé. Ito yung nirecommend ni Kuya. Kami na talaga hindi mag-wine. And then the boys ordered beer. And yung kay Dan, hazy pale. Tapos kay Neil, laga. Laga. Nasaan yung ka-cheers ko? Nagbantay ng bata. Nasa ano, playground. Parang safe pa.
Ang lasa niyan.
Napakalaki naman ito. Uy,
With a fever, I should have been around 10ish. We should drink the whole thing. So I might just go another thing.
right now. Maybe not yet. Sleep again. Uy, may camera mo lang. Ang cute nila, oh. Galing silang playground. Parang galing gala tong apat. Wala siyang sapatos kasi may ano siya, guys. May bubo. Where are you? Oh my gosh, ang cute.
You're in America?
Are you in America?
Say Donald Trump.
Uy.
Don't be loud.
Don't say it. Oh my gosh. Are you in America? America! Gusto niya pumunta Amerika eh.
Orange juice. Okay. You like it?
Nilipat ni Nili yung couch dun kasi walang init. May init dyan eh.
Happy birthday. Hooray! 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 Blow candles.
She doesn't have a candle. Where's our candle? Oh, nice. That looks good. Oh, thank you. Malam, that is potatoes. I thought it's chips.
Akala ko din.
Baka bilog. Patatas talaga siya, sis.
Akala ko naman ano.
Bilog na bilog ang patatas. Akala ko din potato chips.
Pizza.
Really hot? Pero ang ganda niya tingnan. Gutom na to si Dan.
Round trip.
Yeah, really hot.
Sarap, Baba.
Oh.
Oh, they call those for
Italiano pizza. Ang sarap.
Yes, that's a lot of
It's got honey. Chili honey daw. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
That would have been good actually.
Is it really hot?
No, it's not hard, but it's good. Let's see it go.
What meat is it?
Italian sausage. Yes, good.
Ang init na. Sarap malaglag. Nilalamig talaga si Veronica.
Are you really cold, Bob?
Hangin man, pero hindi malamig.
Sa ano, sa araw?
Yeah. Pakalaki naman ang cheese platter, Inday. That looks good. Guys! Bread! Yum! What's this? This one, oh. Ah, thank you. Wala, parang ang sarap ng ano, cheese.
That's right, it's really yum.
Oh, the wine is stuck. You can have this one then. Smell it. Smell this one.
Good?
Smell.
Mm.
That it smell. That smell.
Oh wow, that smells pretty.
Yeah, that is pretty.
Hello, see? Peanuts. Don't put it back. Finish it.
It's peanut.
Here, and then strawberry. See?
Yeah, I done. Yeah,
Grab this one. Smell it. It's really nice. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Tingnan nyo, apakalaking platter. Malapit na maubos. Ang mga bata ang saya-saya. Kanina pa sila naglalaro. Ang ganda ng weather, eh. Mahangin na hindi na mainit. Wala, natapon yung ano nila doon, pine cone. Ang saya-saya nila doon sa pine cone nila. Nahulog doon. Did you kick it? Did you kick the pine cone there? Alo, what happened?
I'm howling.
Did you throw it? Ah, silly Alo. Where did you find it?
I find it. I left it.
Maybe look for another one. Just look for another one. Look for another one, Ayla. Okay, that's alright. You can't get it anymore. It's too far. Just look for another pine cone. Go! Ang saya-saya nila dun sa pine cone. Eh. Ginagawa nilang football. Itong batang to natulog. Pero mga ano lang, hindi man lang inabot 30 minutes. Hello? Nakaisang ano kami, nakaisang bote kami ni Kat ng wine. Rosé pa. Hindi pa Moscato. Ayan na, naghahanap ng pine cone. Pauwi na kami. Nag-stop lang kami dito sa car wash. Nag-drive na kami kanina eh. Tapos may bigla may nakitang car wash to. Nag-stop kami and then he just sprayed the car. And now we are good. Uwi na tayo, guys. Nalipong ako dun sa wine namin ni Inday. Nag-rosé kami, guys. Hindi na Moscato. Ininim namin kanina. Nag-rosé kami. Isang bote kami lang dalawa aminom. Kasi nag-beer yung dalawa eh. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you play with your friends?
Yeah. Yeah. And Yonka and Joyce and Addison.
Eh? Addison was not there. Silly
And
Isle.
Addison and Elijah.
Elijah.
And Isaac.
Who's your best friend, Ala?
Isaac.
Addison?
You have a girlfriend.
Oh, you got a girlfriend.
Is Addison your
A
girlfriend?
boy.
A boy.
No, what?
Oh, you love your girlfriend?
No, no,
Do you kiss her?
no,
Oh, yeah, right.
no. No.
Who's your best friend then?
Arlo's free and Addison's free.
In 2.5
But they're at the
kilometers,
same
bear left
side.
to merge onto Southern Expressway.
Not really. Can you fix your
towards
seatbelt,
Melbourne
please?
Centre.
Fix your seatbelts because the police are around.
Oh, please.
Fix your seatbelt, Ayla. Over the shoulder. Thank you. Bahay na kami, guys. Ito pala pa OOTD ko today.
Come on, buddy.
Yung from Forever New na pansuot ko. Ang ganda. And Zara na shoes lang. Tapos ito from Sports Girl at itong top na to. And then just my vintage bag. Yun lang. Bahay na kami. Kakarating lang namin. Nakatulog ako sa car. Sabi ko sa inyo, nalipong ako dun sa ininom namin ni Inday. Kanina pa kami naglalaro. 1, 2. Sus, baby, ay. Batang bulingit is Inday bungit-ngit. Batang bulingit is Inday indi bulingit. Bungit-ngit, bulingit, bungit-ngit. Who's a batang bulingit? Are you a batang bulingit? Hey? Do you want a bath? Yes? This bath sounds good to you. Do you want a bath, bulingit baby? Who's a bulingit? Me! Who's a batang bulingit? Me! Are you a batang bulingit bungit-ngit? Alright, ready? What? Wala pa nga. 1, 2. What? India. Hello. Sus ka buyag naman dahil. Kagwapa ba yan mo? Ay, buyag biyan mo diha. Oy! 1 down. 1 down. Tae, tae, baho, tae ang akong indie girl. You guys okay? Good job. Good job, guys. Very behaved ng ating ate at kuya. Pagod na pagod ng mga magulang nila, pero itong mga batang to, ewan ko na lang talaga kung saan galing ang energy. Alright, let's give you a bath. Kinsay nalibang, ang indie girl nalibang ko guys, pero happy ko guys, kay nalibang man ko guys. Nalibang na kay hindi niyay. Kinsay fresh. Ay, kinsay fresh. Buyage ang fresh nga baby. Buyage. Buyage. Ay, sorry. Mamuha di ka di ay. Gina lagi ka fresh. Mamuha di ay na di ay. Yun sa man di ka. Wala man di ka ilab tap. Salamat ka. Niligo ka ba eh. Clean up time. Alo, help ate. I'll just put in this dummy, okay? I'll be back. Good job, Ayla. Very good, ate. Yung isa, ayaw talaga matulog, Tingnan niyo, ayaw talaga matulog. Antok na yun, Nagtutupi ako, guys. Multitask. Habang nag-clean up yung mga bata sa baba, tapusin ko to. Kasi pag umakyat na yung mga yun, ang hirap na magtupi kasi guguluhin nila. Kasi nagpapatulog din ako nitong isa. Uy! It's okay. You can do it. Good night. Oh, good girl. Get some sleep. Good night, Papa. Good night. Yeah. Good night, Papa. Sus kabuyag, Inday.
Watch the stars. Watch the stars.
Good job, Ayla.
Tell me guys.
Ang galing-galing na niya, guys.
Tell me guys.
Why? Where are you going?
I'm going forward. I will get this.
Tatakbo siya. Kakatapos lang maligo niya ni Arlo. Sumabay siya kay Daddy. Sabay kami ni Ayla mamaya.
Hi, Mom!
Spider-Man.
This is how you do Spider-Man. This is how you do Spider-Man.
Kailangan dyan talaga sa pinto. Pakalayo naman. Sige.
Here he comes. Spider-Man!
Oh, yeah. That's how you do it. Go, Alo. Oh! Yep. And then do this. Alright, you finished cleaning up here, girl? Ooh. Good job, ate. Oh, very clean. Well done. Good job.